Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the latest Scan Tool Network video. In this video it's a really short demonstration of the iCarsoft EU Pro Kit, diagnosing and resetting an airbag light in this Audi here. So it's an Audi car, we have the airbag light showing on the dashboard there. Now this kit is available at Diagnostic World, it's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put a link to this kit in the description below the video. I'll also put the link to the Amazon listing, and I'm also going to put a link to our blog post which has a lot more information on this particular package here. So we have the tool plugged into the diagnostic port, and we're going to select the diagnostics option, and we're going to go through and select our vehicle. So it covers European manufacturers. In this video we're only interested in Audi right now. So we can select our system or manually select the system, and we need to find the airbag system. There it is, airbag. So click onto that, and that takes a few seconds to actually connect to the airbag system. Okay, so it gives us an option now to read fault code. So it's giving us a B100B1B fault, driver thorax airbag igniter resistance too high. And basically we've found a loose connection underneath the driver's seat, which has obviously caused the airbag light to illuminate. So what we've done is we've plugged that back in, but obviously it hasn't turned off the airbag light. To do that you need to basically use a tool like this to actually tell the ECU that you've fixed the problem, so then it can do a rescan of the system and hopefully reset the warning light and the fault codes. So we'll do that now, and you simply do that by clicking clear fault memory. Fault code and freeze data information will be erased. Are you sure to continue? So when I click OK here or enter, just keep an eye on the airbag light. There we go, that's gone off. Job done quite easily. Well, that's all thanks to the iCarsoft EU Pro Kit. Now, as I say, it is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put a link to this kit in the description below the video. I'll also put the Amazon listing as well, and as I mentioned earlier, I'll put a link to the blog post which has a lot more information on this package. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.